tailoring machine here for saloon.
Obwezi obwo ahari Kanyumizi Vocational Institute bwaheebwayo obuleerezi bwa Nkole obakwatanise na Dr. Keith Waddell Foundation.
I was at home and I was not having a hope of schooling. By God's grace, I had an advert at Kanyumizi Vocational Training Institute from the Dr. Keith Waddell Foundation.
Twenda kongera kubasiima aba Dr. Keith ahabwo training abana kandi bakagaruka bakabahereza ebikwato bamara kwega abo kubera izoba babahereza mu ebiharani babahereza dryers babahereza boots babahereza overalls babahereza ibintu bingi anka startup capital ningasi eva kubasa kutandikiraho kandi nitekateka ngo turuzeze zibabahereza abana aba nibaza kuzikoresaje bargemwe abantu bo mugasho nyencyakare.
Omukoro gwayikwaho abajekirwa babuleebezi bwa Nkole n'abebembezi namunonga ba district Isingiro.
We have equipped you kugira ngo niwo kandi n'ikinde cy'uwajirota ecyuwakora. Don't be selfish. Tukora umurimo ogu Yesu yakuye natukorera oguhanga atukorire.
Ntwenda kwiga abakristayo ba Nkole Diocese ngo nitwe ntubasa kukwatiraho umwana umwe yaba babiri ninga ntubasa kugira ekitwa supportinga gure cyarani niwe ko muntu ushanga kija ompul kija ompul ya Dr. Keith Waddell ushanga twa supportinga larger communities.
I had an advert at Kanyumizi Vocation from Dr. Keith Waddell Foundation. Finally, I thank Dr. Keith Waddell Foundation for supporting me. I know how to make children's wear and women's.
Again, they have taught us about kitchenware sauce. For sure, Dr. Keith Waddell Foundation has did a great work.
And I learned more things like budgeting, business plan, and gardening vegetables. Even me, for sure, I thank them.
Sima abeji nukubatabarusya. Congratulations.
Abwa TV West ndisenyamo Gideon Omurisinjiro.